how to get free things in Minecraft Marketplace. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to click on escape, go to Minecraft Marketplace. Then once you're here, as you guys can see, everything here costs a lot of money. As you guys can see, the worlds cost a lot of money. Every single one costs money, 490. If you do click on here, you can see you got to pay for every single one. They're pretty expensive. But I have this new way. All you got to do is just go back. Then once you go back, so what you got to do firstly is click on this option right here. This is a new way. Click on search. Now from here, as you guys can see, every single one still costs money, right? So what you have to do from here is you're going to have to click on this option right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on price, low to high, all the way at the last one, just click on that. Then as you guys can see, once you do that, you have many stuff that are completely for free. So for example, this one right here, I like it, so I'm gonna just click on it, then I'm gonna click on free right here. And you can see I just got it. So if this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. That's basically how you get free things in Minecraft Marketplace.